Ladies and gentlemen, she's big. Yeah. She's my sister. Yeah. One fact you don't know about this woman, myself and her husband worked together as colleagues in Stanbic IBTC Bank back then in 2014-15. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Real Warri Pikin!
Worry, worry. Worry, worry, worry. Oh yeah, worry. Worry, worry. Worry, worry, worry. Old worry. New worry. Old money. Abuja, wait till they play. Thank you for clapping. You will not suffer waist pain. Now me they call, I don't want clap. Abuja, now don't really see me finish it. Okay, MC. Mona behave now. MC Papi. See the way you introduce me. It's just clear say you not plan to pay me. Which one be she has traveled far and wide? She's my sister. He can't even bring my husband. I say they work for Stanbic. Who asked you? My brother, you go still pay me, oh. You there, head born.
See who go pay you there.
Head born, no fish for stew. Best the hustle. Now this year, 2024, the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote, cried this year. If Aliko can cry, who am I? Who am I? This country now, everywhere, ad like Brocos. Brocos not ad. You know they get erection. What's that one, prick? Who are you? Once they wear berets now, so which of the court you join? Before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you. Not really easy for this country where we say you get the way it day, but you go bring your ad-in money, buy ticket, come show. This one don't pass say you want to enjoy. This one I say when they support the comedy industry. Thank you very much. On behalf of the comedy industry, I want to say thank you. It's not easy. Next Saturday now, next Sunday, we'll still do show. Now make our thought say the children of Israelites need to apologize to Pharaoh. Yes, now because what they see, not rich what we see here now. Shiki Republic now they say goat meat. Hunger in the land. Now because they beg everybody, mind where you keep your organ. Gay whenever shop 5 days, you go put prick for your mouth. Now suya na. When they take risk, you go visit all those normal sausage. You go shop on. There's something about this table. Who are these girls? See the one are fresh like seafood. Who are you people? Now they go choosing. Wow. You guys look so amazing. Normally, last time when I come this Transcorp, I came for Brain Jotta's show. And basically what I spoke about was men. And I used Abuja men as a case study. Men, not fear, not to the apple. Belumi. I greet you specially. This barrister, only you go do court, only you go do high life, only you go do what do they call that thing? Band. You just go your page, you just they sing. Sometimes I will see you for court. Barrister Pelumi, nice to see you. So like I said, I used Abuja men as a case study. And I realized that after that performance, a lot of women understood Abuja men very well. So to create an aesthetic balance, I want to talk about women and Abuja women as a what? If you're a woman here, please celebrate yourself. It's not really easy to be a woman. I make my next life, I thought say, is space not there for man? I'd rather be man snake or man goat. Or man fowl. It's not easy. It's You know why they see us women? You fat na problem. You slim na problem. Abuja women, we have two types of. As I say, I fat, that one laugh. You remember my past? That time when we say once I enter inside bank, the security dog they shout one at a time, one at a time. Don't be smutty fat, do me. But we give God all the glory. Abuja have two types of women. The independent women and the dependent ones. And I would love to talk about the independent women. Independent women, make una take it easy, relax. The pressure one they put on herself too much. When Bible creates man, he creates woman to help man. Cut up of you will be woman. Only you want to do everything. Only you go change plug. Only you go on generator. Then you also use dildo. Hala man sleep with you. That's a good place to clap. Because at the end of the day, Allah they made a massage your lower waist or your neck. The women, two independent women collapse for Apollo yesterday. I'm not saying it's bad to be independent. I'm not saying it's bad to have economic power. I'm not saying it's bad to be a strong woman. But sometimes just relax. They collapse for Apollo. And those are the ones that are ready to really get married. But these men just wants you to relax so they can provide for you. Sometimes just ask. And these independent women, the best way to date them or marry them, they don't need to ask you first. You just do it. Woman will get no need to ask. Woman will need something, you're supposed to know what she needs. Not every time you go, let her ask me now. No. You say what it? You say what it? That ghetto ayo. What do you drink? Just small coke, hot coke. Oh, Dogo Peters. Ready this night, oh. Ada. Now you got a shot. Oh, me. So, in a couple of days is my birthday. My birthday is in 2 days. Yeah, my birthday is in 2 days, and I'm super excited. Now, wow, what did they happen for all this table? Now, even vote the table, you see that now they talk, they make noise. Ogabody, I greet you. Well done, sir. Don't be smarty with the do your meeting point. Any smarty would not reach your office, so. Thank God so your money not finish. Yes, so your money not finish. If not by now, if I don't, you know the matter now. Don't be this wicked Abuja where everybody hide a tone like roundabout. But I want to ask a question: how far wicked? How are we feeling wicked in this FCT? Not be somebody how I see you. I think before Wike became FCT in Abuja, we supposed to go Port Harcourt, go do master class. They did one. They were with Wike for 8 years. Wike, the day when he just become FCT, he enter Abuja, my POP4. We dey use Emmet sleep. POP4. Now, if you want to use Google Map, come and ask now, go carry reach police station. GPROS now, no they work. We can go just use do 3 roundabouts for one road. Fly over everywhere. Nigeria never even released budget. You don't commission 13 flyover. Wike 001. Now they celebrate him, that man, na self-engineer. That is speech immediately do that press conference when they make a FCT when they start. It will go down. If you build where you're not supposed to build it, what? Nothing no say wahala.com. So as I was saying, my birthday is in 2 days, and one of the things we don't really add me as a human being is raising a teenager. Raising this generation. If you have a teenager here, let me see your hand. Or you get picky where be this generation where they call Gen Z. Okay, you have a Gen Z, Abi? Oh, no be smart. If you can train a Gen Z, you can train Dragon. No be joke of this generation. My son see me which they say, Mommy, you have anger issues. When we sumo your mama, they follow you talk. Can you look at her in the face? Our parents need to apologize to us because we are better children. My son will say, Mommy, you need therapy. Wow. That time when we sumo, if they break our hearts, they cry for inside, they'll still call you when you go wash plates. They'll still call you when you go on gen. But the worst one when they come up now, this one they call Gen Alpha. This Gen Z, they're good now. This Gen Alpha, they come with arm, on, teeth, fangs. These ones, we need people to help us. When they study human anatomy, maybe they go study this new generation where they come. I don't try my best as mama. I wanted to one of the hardest things. Slicky, I don't really blame you now. If you cannot respect me, you cannot respect what I'm carrying. You know they see what I carry. I'll be your eye wear bossers. This now waste where we say before they climb and they'll use ladder. Slicky. You just call Mc Papi. Papi, you know yes, they say me will not they beg for stage. You they beg money for stage.
Now stage be this. This will not be stage.
Shut up your mouth. When you climb stage, you know also money.
But Dan I did now. No, there's somebody that need beg for Dan. They say for stage.
You know they respect basket matter. They don't want us. Slicky, have fun now. You get my whole pay normally now. Yes, now I turn and wish now. Skywise. Obviously, what you do, you can help only man. Bash see list go come out to go find your name for that. So some men you dey help. This Skywise, I don't know assist. That I want never make kind. Get one get that I go one. They don't want kind depth. One get cut me say get one man where they help. Make I go meet. When I go meet her. That be smart you do me. You need to do at least clean that memory. Now even 2 million me they dash me you. What did they do when you get that person 4 million? That person dance reach me. You don't see me the dance. Make her dance. You don't see me finish. If I be your wife, person tell me dance for you collect money, go like her. Person like you, I shall go walk away before you pay more. Person like Skywise, he go, oh, the Ashawo go give blow job. So make her dance. You know, you just say, after that time, when you just make her just give you something. Yeah, you. Skywise be like, who don't block me for WhatsApp, sef. He get one event when Skywise invite me, because you give me one small money, you might follow up. Oh. I'm not going to attend the event because the way Skywise says, send the money back. I will not like my spec. Who you really they like? When I big, you not like me. I don't lose weight. What do you want? Hey? But shout out to Pelumi, shout out to Olorowa. These are people that even though say you want to do show. Because that time when I do my first show, I had to join Tinder to set table. Not be Joko. Comedy for woman, not easy for I join Tinder. When you come book me, once I reach your hotel room, I'll give you ticket. Either you buy ticket or I'll call your wife. That's what they set table. But shout out to all these men, all these one they tell me say, where are you? Bring your ticket. I almost do hook up. So Skywise at all because at the end of the day, this one no go pay me and no. The way you say, hey, Jesus. You go pick and you go pick this money. Make I send you message. Bring her. Any small thing. Lifestyle king. Cigar where you owed it last year, you never light them.
You know when I go light this cigar? Now if I see sponsor, you give me 200 million, I go light them.
You they look down on all these men? How much is $100 million?
Point to one person, you go give me here.
Dead? Wow.
Apart from Vodi and Skywise and BMU, point another person. Abalanze. I bet.
The man be this.
In a day.
Wait, Abalanze.
Abalanze in a day, boy. Don't worry.
I never really see him, but I don't hear about him. During my show, where you wife?
Everybody here now Abalanze.
Oh, I celebrate you.
Now the man we put Abalanze for secondary school be this.
Oh, not be this. Sir, you will never suffer waist pain. I like a civil servant shoe. No, I know the man that they hear that name. My husband always they hear that name. Very successful man, successful successful.
Abalanze, now only Abalanze a lot. Now they call that a lot. Where Abalanze transfer money, others go they pay.
Oh, phone go cut off.
The money na magnet.
I dey test you.
If Abalanze,
still the way you dey judge people money, where your own. When will you make it, Mc Papi? When will you make it? Now, person money they say they bring a lot. When will your own bring other people? Don't they touch me.
This is what you do. Talk about this man shoe. We need to do something.
No, civil service. No.
Hold on. I want to dedicate a song to you, sir, to honor you. She cannot talk about your shoe. I will not honor you. DJ, a song for daddy.
Solidarity forever.
Remember your days in NLC, sir.
Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. Daddy, you gonna say you don't fight for a number.
Daddy, you know what will happen? You send me your account number, let me debit you. You are a good man. On behalf of 2 million naira, I donate my family to you. Thank you very much, Abuja. Good night. I love you.
Thank you. DJ, bring it down.